In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an under construction page at any point while you're building out your funnels or your sites. If you need to take it offline, this is the workaround for it. So I'll show you what the under construction page looks like. It's pretty basic. That's it. That is it. But how do we set it up? So what we want to do is go into settings. You need to come down to domains. You'll see your domain, which will already be connected. So you click the kebab menu, which is these three dots over here. Click on edit, then just change your default page to under construction. So just to show you how this works, this is the site. So this is now live, but if I was to change that to under construction and hit save, so there we go. It's a placeholder basically. So if we were to, let's say, use another version of this, there you go, that's it there. So if you're still getting your old page, it's because you need to clear your cookies. I'm not going to clear my cookies, but that will work. So you can see that's now there. Now let's see if potentially that's updated over here. Yeah, there we go. Now that's updated on this site as well. So it took a couple of minutes, but that's now done.